Hi, welcome to A Chef Called Rhonda. I'm Rhonda and this is my kitchen, and today I'm going to show you how to roast chestnuts. Today I'm using European chestnuts. Italy's love affair with chestnuts first started as far back as ancient Roman times, when they used chestnuts as a form of currency and trade, especially when there were less crops due to poor weather resulting in famine. Traditionally, today in Italy, street vendors roast chestnuts over a wood-burning roaster, which gives them a lovely smoky taste. A huge round pan with a perforated bottom is roasted over the hot coals. Today, Italian Americans consider roasting chestnuts a cherished Italian holiday tradition. Italian Americans carry on this tradition of ending holiday meals with chestnuts roasting in the oven, or yes, even over an open fire. One of the most memorable smells of Christmas, roasted chestnuts and espresso with a bottle of Sambuca on the dining room table, which was overflowing with desserts. At the end of a big traditional Italian-American Thanksgiving or Christmas feast, or even sometimes I believe Easter, chestnuts are always served. Stay with me today while I show you how to roast chestnuts. It's super healthy, super easy, super delicious. You will note I have 1 pound of chestnuts, which I added to a strainer and I'm now rinsing. I will rinse the chestnuts for about a minute and a half, just to soften the outer shell. Next, I will take my serrated knife and I will make an X across the top of each chestnut. The idea here is to lay the chestnut on the cutting board flat side down and bevel out an X. Don't worry, that X will pop open in our already preheated 425-degree oven. We will roast them for about 20 to 24 minutes until they pop open and smell heavenly. Okay, our chestnuts are all cut and ready to be popped into the oven. My oven is preheated at 425 degrees, and I have my baking pan, which is Silpat lined. You can use parchment paper, no problem. I'm laying the chestnuts cut side up, flat side down, in an orderly fashion. Now, a quick tip here. Grandmother taught me to add a half cup of water and maybe an anise clove in the center of our baking pan, and that is to keep our chestnuts moist while they roast at 425 degrees. And they will roast for about 20 to 24 minutes. You will note that they will pop open. That X will just pop open, making our way to the coveted chestnut that much easier. Here you can see, duly noted, we'll take a tour into the oven here. It's hot. You can see the chestnut has ballooned and expanded and broken open. This is almost ready, almost done here. You can see that they're nice and moist. I've removed them from the oven and now it's time for that wonderful plating. And we're almost ready to serve, but not before we say many thanks for watching today's show. I hope you enjoyed A Chef Called Rhonda's How to Roast Chestnuts. If you haven't subscribed to A Chef Called Rhonda, please would you consider subscribing? Many thanks. Hi to all my subscribers. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Buon Natale. Arrivederci. Bye.